Hello everyone, I'm back from the 8th day of the Perry trial, the federal challenge to Proposition 8 that's happening in Federal District Court in San Francisco. This case is so important for so many reasons. It's the first case in which we have two straight allies, two of the leading constitutional attorneys in the country, Ted Olson and David Boies, leading the charge, standing up for our community. It is the first case to address whether a state can first recognize that same-sex couples have a fundamental right to marry and then 6 months later allow a bare majority of voters to strip that right away. It is the first case in which couples, same-sex couples, have actually had an opportunity to testify in open court about the impact of marriage discrimination on them, on their families, on their lives, on their dreams. It's the first time we've had an incredible array of experts, some of the leading scholars in the country, to talk about the history and the continuing history of anti-gay discrimination. And I'll tell you, it has been sobering and at times almost overwhelming to sit in that courtroom and hear from one expert after another about how often the government itself has been involved in propagating some of the most vicious anti-gay stereotypes, and how the Prop 8 campaign has very deliberately manipulated and exploited and played on those same stereotypes to try and create a climate of fear that would cause people to support Proposition 8. It's been very sobering to hear how LGBT people are still one of the most vulnerable and despised minorities in this country. I tell you, I urge everyone to please follow this case closely, to talk about it with your family and friends, and I hope that at the end of the day this renews our commitment to really shine a light on ourselves and show the world, show the public the true nature of our families, our relationships, and that we all work together harder than ever to stand up for our right to be treated as fully equal human beings.